To create a website in Weebly, start by opening your web browser and typing in weebly.com. Click on the first option, which will take you to the main page. From there, sign in using your email and password to access your account overview. You'll see various options, including website, items, orders, fulfillment, reports, marketing, and settings. To begin creating your website, click on the Edit Site button, located at the top right. This will take you to the site design page, where you can start building your website. Begin with the home page and explore the layout, which is divided into sections. You can preview your website to see how it looks. And once you're satisfied, click Publish to make it live. If you want to add subpages or additional pages, you can do so by clicking on the Add Pages option. You can also customize your website by accessing the site design features, which allow you to modify elements such as the logo, colors, fonts, and button spacing. Once you've finalized your website, preview it again to ensure everything is perfect, and then publish it.